Hey guys, want to create a QR code for your PDF file in Google Drive using just your phone device? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow this simple step-by-step tutorial. And now let's begin. First off, obviously open Google Drive. It could be an app version or a website one, but for the tutorial I'm going to use the Drive app. So now find the file that you want to create a QR code for, and then just tap these three dots right beside of it. Then this will bring up this pop-up menu, and here click on the copy link option. Now we should just exit the Google Drive and open any browser like Chrome or Safari. I'm gonna use the Chrome app. Now use the search field at the top and search for QR code generator. Now hit go at the bottom right and enter pretty much the first link. So here click on the website option right here at the top and then paste the copied link right here in this field. And when pasted, just close the keyboard and hit next at the bottom right. Now here you can design the QR code, but it is completely optional, so let's just skip it and tap create at the bottom right. So now you will be prompted to enter your email. Just pretty much enter it and enter it and click the submit button at the bottom right here. So this will generate the QR code. Just scroll down a bit and you can take a screenshot of it and send it to anybody, and they will be able to scan it and view the file. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.